Hi, I'm Jasmine Hillenbrand, here with Mr. Brenner to talk about midterms. So, what's the schedule for midterms?
Well, midterms will start on Tuesday, January 22nd, and we're going to do 2 periods a day plus lunches. So on that Tuesday, we're going to have periods 1 and 2, and then our lunch periods 5 and 6. Wednesday will be periods 3, 4, and then lunches. Thursday will be periods 5, 6, and then lunches. And then Friday will be periods 7 and 8, and then lunches. I'm sorry, I didn't mean to interrupt you, but students will be dismissed then at 12:56 and go home a couple hours early.
So why would we have 5th and 6th period every day?
Well, you need to have lunch. And to make sure that you guys have lunch, we have 5th and 6th period. So that's why we have 5th and 6th every day.
And how do we know which lunch to go to?
You will go to your normal period day lunch. So if you have A lunch and then a 5B and 6C class, then that's what you do. If you normally have B lunch, whatever lunch you normally go to on Monday, Tuesday, or Friday, that's the lunch that you go to during midterms.
And what would happen if we miss midterms?
Oh, you don't want to do that. If you miss midterms, it's going to be your responsibility to contact your teacher to see when you can make it up. You're going to have to make it up one of the afternoons that we have early dismissal on. Now, we'll still have a 4:15 bus, but you're going to have to stay once everybody else is dismissed and make up the midterm. So that's something you might not want to do. You want to be here every day.
And does everyone have to take them?
Every person has to take the midterms, absolutely.
What about people that go to tech school?
Well, that's a little different now. So if you are in AM Tech, you're not here in the morning. So on Tuesday, when we have periods 1, 2, you're just going to go to tech school. You're going to go to tech school, and then that's it. So I'm going to just refer to my notes here. So on Tuesday and Wednesday, you're going to report to NHS here at regular time. You're going to follow your normal routine. That's if you have AM Tech. But on Thursday and Friday, you're going to report here and attend your base homeroom. So let me repeat that. On Tuesday and Wednesday, you're going to go to tech just as you normally do, and then normal routine. On Thursday and Friday, you're going to report here because you're going to have to take your midterms for your class, and you're going to attend your base homeroom. Now, if you're PM Tech, on Tuesday and Wednesday, you follow your normal routine. On Thursday and Friday, you're going to follow the early Tuesday schedule. You're going to meet your bus at time, and they'll take you and transport you to tech school. So it's a little bit different for tech students.
And why are we taking them?
Well, we live in a world of high-stakes testing, and with Keystone exams, and if you're going off to college next year, and guess what you're going to have about the 3rd week in October? Midterms. And so we're trying to prepare everybody to get used to these high-stakes testing.
So how do you suggest that we can prepare for them?
Study. Your teachers are probably giving you study packets, study notes, study guides. Study. Prepare for it. Don't. One of the reasons why we're letting everybody go at 12:56 every day is so that you can prepare for the next day's exams.
And how do they affect our grades?
Well, midterms count as 10% of your grade, so they are very high stakes. So it could determine whether or not whether or not you get an A or B, or whether or not you pass the class or fail the class. So it is very important.
And how are they weighted?
They're weighted as I just said, as 10% of the grade. So it's a big chunk. Your normal tests don't count that much, but this one counts as a big portion.
Do you have anything else?
No, I wish everybody good luck and study hard, and hopefully everybody will do very well.
Thank you, Mr. Brenner. I'm Jasmine Hillenbrand, talking about midterms with Mr. Brenner, and back to Eagle's Eye.